Respected audience and dear friends, a wonderful morning to all of you. Today is Yoga Day. 21st June is celebrated as an International Yoga Day, and people are made aware of the benefits of yoga on this day. It has several benefits and anyone can avail of these benefits at any age. Yoga was derived from India thousands of years ago. Earlier, it was mainly saints who used to practice it for attaining peace and to stay fit and strong. But as the awareness of the benefits increased, everyone started practicing yoga. Help us to lead a healthy life in natural way. If we practice yoga properly and regularly, we can get rid of the use of artificial things to stay healthy. Yoga is also playing a significant role in the psychosocial care and rehabilitation of COVID-19 patients in quarantine and isolation. Let us unitedly celebrate this special day. Wishing you a happy International Yoga Day. Thank you.
Namaskar. A very good morning to each and everyone, to all the people, all the children and to all the respected dignitaries. I am Mayuk Roy, and today, for the auspicious occasion of the 7th International Yoga Day, we are here under the organization of Science City Bardhaman to celebrate this day with some certain things, certain occasions and so on. Thank you.
Yoga had always been one of the most prime ways to achieve a stable and strong body. From our early ancestors to foreign countries, numerous people have taken up yoga as a daily habit in their lives and brought about drastic change in their lifestyle, improving it. But we are here today to dwell deeper in the benefits of yoga and how it can protect us from certain diseases, especially during these times, especially from COVID-19 virus. We all know the death tolls that have risen over the past 1.5 years, and even as we speak right now, so many people are being tested positive and passing away their lives every minute of every moment of every day. Preventive measures like using sanitizers, using other face shields, masks and other things are definitely important. But then again, what's necessarily the most important thing is that having a very stable and strong immunity system. Now, how to achieve that? The one and only solution is implementing yoga in our lives. Moreover, COVID-19 isn't just about hitting any specific age range of people. It's affecting each and everyone. And from reliable sources, what we are getting now is the news that the third wave of COVID-19 is going to hit India soon, and it is going to affect small children in a dangerous way. So today we have a very few people who are going to present yoga and show us how the implementation can be done in our lives. We have Mr. Praveen Kormakar, her daughter Ms. Shuchita Kormakar, and our beloved coach Mr. Shamal Bishash, who will be guiding us and who will be teaching us different poses of yoga and how we can implement them. Let us have a look. Thank you. Before we begin, we all would like to thank Science Center Bardhaman for giving us this platform and opportunity to showcase this special talent. Thank you, Science City Bardhaman. And now, let us begin. So, Mr. Praveen Kormakar and her daughter, Ms. Shuchita Kormakar, will be beginning with Surya Namaskar. While they are at it, let me introduce you to certain benefits that Surya Namaskar has in our lives. That is, it increases the overall immunity system and it provides us a basic layer of protection against all kinds of diseases. It develops and improves the cardio system in our body. It develops our heart, our lungs and overall nervous system. Thank you. let us go on to the yoga. The first, they will begin with Padmasana. Mr. Praveen Karmakar will be doing the Padmasana and her daughter Miss Shuchita Karmakar will be doing the Baddha Padmasana. Certain benefits of Padmasana are it stretches the ankles, it stretches the knees, it calms the brain and the nervous system, and it keeps the spinal cord very intact and straight. And certain benefits of Baddha Padmasana are it helps calm down the mind and experience peace and serenity with mental stability. Next we have Mr. Praveen Karmakar performing the Vajrasana and her daughter the Punna Shukta Vajrasana. The Vajrasana helps strengthening thigh muscles and it relieves us of back pain, whereas the Punna Shukta Vajrasana it expands the upper chest region and it increases the oxygen flow into our respiratory system. Moving on, we have Mr. Praveen Karmakar performing the Bhujangasana and her daughter the Punna Bhujangasana. Mr. Praveen Karmakar is now performing the Shalabhasana and her daughter the Punna Shalabhasana. The Shalabhasana helps in back pain, it strengthens and adds flexibility to the muscles and spine, whereas the Punna Shalabhasana increases the blood circulation in our body. Now they are performing the Bhujangasana and Punna Bhujangasana. Mr. Praveen Karmakar now performing the Janushirasana and her daughter the Vibhakta Janushirasana. The Janushirasana calms the brain and it helps us in relieving of mild depression, whereas even it helps in symptoms of menopause, whereas the Vibhakta Janushirasana it stretches the chest and the lung muscles, it opens the heart and lungs, and it's good for therapeutic for asthma. For the Janushirasana, we have the advantages of it helps calm the brain, it helps us relieving of mild depression, it stimulates the liver and kidneys, and it relieves the symptoms of menopause. Now we have the father and daughter duo perform the Paschimottanasana, and the daughter is Vibhakta Paschimottanasana. The Paschimottanasana calms the brain and helps us in relieving stress. It stretches the spine, the shoulders and hamstrings. It also stimulates the ovaries, the uterus, kidneys and liver. Whereas the Vibhakta Paschimottanasana, it helps us in getting peace and serenity. Now we have Mr. Probit Karmakar perform the Mayurasana, whereas his daughter will be performing the Padambakasana. The Mayurasana or the peacock pose, it removes toxins and detoxifies our body, whereas the Padambakasana, it opens up the hips, it stretches the ankles and the knees, and it keeps the spine straight, as well as it keeps joints and ligaments very flexible. Now, the father will be performing the Vrikkasana, whereas the daughter will be performing the Dandayaman Vrikkasana. The Vrikkasana, it improves our neuromuscular coordination, whereas the Dandayaman Vibhaktasana, it improves neuromuscular coordination and it helps with balance and endurance. Again, we have performed by Mr. Probit Karmakar Shirshasana, whereas her daughter will be performing the Vyagro Vrishikasana. Shirshasana calms the brain, it relieves stress, it strengthens arms and legs and spine, it tones the abdominal organs, therapeutic for asthma, infertility and insomnia, whereas the Vyagro Vrishikasana arrests the physical aging process, improves the blood flow and revitalizes all body systems. Thank you. That was all for the yoga presentation, and now to end all, we have the father-daughter duo perform the pranayam, the Bhramari pranayam. Now performing the Bhramari pranayam by the father-daughter duo. Some very key benefits of this pranayam are: it lowers blood pressure, it reduces cerebral tension, and it soothes the nerves. Thank you. That's been everything for today. We would like to thank Mr. Probit Karmakar, her daughter Ms. Shuchita Karmakar, and our coach Mr. Shamal Vishwas once again for the beautiful presentation. And once again, our utmost gratitude to Science Center Bardhaman for allowing us. And that's all for today. Good day, everyone. Have a beautiful day.